I think this is an old American car. Or no, Volkswagen.
It's Volkswagen.
Yeah.
It's a 456.
Yeah, it's a Volkswagen, yeah.
Abraham Jacob or Bill Jacob? Which do you prefer to go by?
Well, everybody called me Bill, but
Bill.
the military was the MD thing.
I make the name. You can just make the call.
You can take it off and I'll just hold it.
So what are we doing here?
Or we can get a side or whatever you think's best.
This is May. Has it started?
Yeah. I'll be able to cut it, but don't come too close because you'll cut your head off.
Just in case.
So here we are, May 28th, in the backyard of Esau Jenkins' home with his son, Bill Jenkins. And we're about to take off the back of the VW bus and preparing it for its trip up to Washington for its new home. And we have here to watch this, we have, besides Bill Jenkins, we also have Paul Salas from the Preservation Society staff, as well as Corey Hip, who's filming behind camera, as well as Alfonso Brown from Gullah Tours, and also Mr. Hip.
He's going to be the most important cog in this machine.
Who's going to make sure we get this done correctly. And I'm Julie Ellen Davis, who is on the board of the Preservation Society, as well as chairperson of the Thomas Pinckney Alliance, which is part of the Preservation Society. That group is really involved in putting on this event, which we have on Sunday, June 1st.
Great. I just got real nervous that you weren't turned on, so let me just...
Please tell me you were.
All right.
So now, Mr. Brown brought a beautiful easel for us to look at. And so this easel will be used on Sunday, June 1st to help display the back of the bus. So we can go ahead and start.
Okay.
And look out for rattlesnakes.
So they're taking
Rattlesnakes.
one side off and then they'll work on this side. It's basically a total of 4 bolts.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to use the WD that I've been holding?
Alright, we got the one side.
Okay, that's great. That took what, a minute to take off the 2 bolts on one side. So now we're removing the other side.
So apparently this is not as difficult as one thought it would be.
Do you want to help him hold that side so it comes off? And we're going to, once it comes off of the back of the bus, we're going to place it onto a white cloth so we can wrap it and transport it to the site on Sunday.
I don't want to save the bolts, dude.
We'll save the bolts in case the museum wants it.
What? Oh, hold on.
Hold on. So now
It's a hard job, but somebody's
Corey,
gotta
do you
it.
want to take the camera over so we can show?
Yeah, hold on.
So now we're placing it on the easel.
Now, it'll stand. Now, what you can do,
On the back of the bus says, "Love is progress, hate is expensive. How far scholarship?"
what we're going to do is to, I wish I had some sort of rope or hook. We can hook this up here, and that one goes on the bottom there.
Oh, you're going to do both on one?
Okay.
That makes 4 to...
You know,
Oh, that's the one I had before.
You think so? If you
Well,
think
it's
so,
on this
let's go.
thing anyway
Okay,
instead of that, so.
we're looking at how to do this for display purposes. Alfonso,
oh, you can hook.
Alfonso, because this is such an old bus, what if we took the bottom part and just had it resting here? That way we know.
Do you not think it would cover the most important part?
Otherwise, you can take, the bungee rope, the bungee cord, take the bungee cord, hook it right there, and hook it right in there, and I'll bring it up there. And I'm right off.
The other the other, we just want to be confident these bars won't come off.
No, don't want them on.
But we want to leave them on.
Yeah.
The question is if this is security or leak. The question is will it be? Okay, so we'll see. Let's try.
Do you have to?
I got a bungee cord in my car.
We have bungee cord.
You got bungee cord?
Yeah, in that bag. I mean, I have it to secure the bus.
Huh?
Well, Smithsonian, we can get
Why
a
don't
bolt.
Let's do that. That's a lot better. We don't want to put any weight on these bars here. We don't want this to
I see.
No, but we don't need to try it. Let's lift this up. Lift the bottom up. Let's try it. Yeah, let's try
Yes,
that.
sir.
That's a great idea.
Is it stuck, Neil?
Okay, so now we have the bottom part of the back of the bus coming off. So now everything is off. Yeah. This back part,
Oh, would you like it?
you just like flat on the ground while we figure this out.
Pull up right there.
I can't believe that was done so quickly.
The back of the bottom part of the back was holding the license tag, and it was covering the engine.
Pull up, twist.
Tori, could you bring the camera over to show what the engine looks like now?
That twist.
And the inside of the VW.
Looks like it, yeah.
Bring this down.
It dropped down when it held the back on. So we have two pieces that are still protruding up there. They were holding the top of the back of the bus. So now we have to look at how to get that down.
These two pieces?
Right.
Oh, you just lock up here right now, so yeah.
Oh, because it thinks it's open. And it doesn't want to bang it down? Oh, that's good.
Got it?
Just gotta make sure that he's
I mean,
stay.
I guess you need like the leverage on it to get it to go, you know?
Well, you know, maybe
It's not going to move unless
But,
you twist it.
We want to get these off as
should
well.
it come down a little bit? Because
Do you have two of those or just
Unless
one?
it come down and stay
Huh?
down.
Just one easel or do you
One.
have two?
just one. Yeah, that's
Oh, I
Let
love
stay
that.
down.
No, it won't.
And then we
Now I
can
need
bring
to
it
bring it
down
down,
a
huh?
little bit.
Bring it
Let's try,
down.
Paul.
The back of that and the lock.
I could saw that
That's a
bar off.
very pretty
Saw that
easel.
bar off and this
That's
one
great. And
down,
Chuma
so it
gave
won't
us
ever
that
go
so we
back
need to
up.
put his logo on the thing.
Okay.
I put a towel cord in there with the back.
So now here's the inside of the VW bus.
Yep.
Do you want to take the can over?
Wow.
So now if we had the back of the bus opened up, the luggage compartment, and then down below is where the engine was.
Yeah, it's still there.
And the engine is still there, mixed in with some leaves.
Huh? You'll remove?
And then
Okay.
can you take the to the round the front? You can look inside.
Hey, Neil. My next question is, do you think that'll fit in the back of my car?
Oh, I can put it in my truck.
I don't want you to have to go back downhill.
It's not a big deal.
But do you think, I think it would fit in the back of my car like that, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, I was actually maybe going to go down to home.
Oh, and you can just put it in my
You can
garage.
tell by the keys.
The thing with the geezers down there.
But don't you think that would fit into my car the day of the event?
I bet you so. With the seat down, yeah, I bet you it would. Sorry. He didn't let me take his WD-40. I was taking it so he wasn't running in the picture. He's like, it's mine. You can't hear me, can they? Good. You want to get in it?
No.
Take some pictures.
I'm taking a movie right now.
Oh, are you?
It's hot out here.
It is. Humid and hot. I bet the downtown's not fun either. I was down there this morning before it got too cold.
Yeah.
Too hot.
It was pretty hot, but I've been running around like crazy.
Put it right in the middle and then
I think so, because we've got two of these.
which way going? Straight? Like so?
Just make it straight. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. You can lie down. That's great. It's like wrapping a gift. A gift box.
Oh, I didn't bring any tape.
Yes, I think we're okay with that.
There you go. Now you can put this. You want to do it separately or just
Yeah,
put that one in there?
They were only $3.
No, I mean, put this
I
door.
got two of them.
Was
It's
that
really
some?
separate
Okay.
that
I
way.
mean, let's just wrap it
Then
separate.
make sure the
'cause
glass
they
wouldn't
were
break or
only-
nothing like that.
They were only $3.
Yeah, yeah.
Bring it on over.
Will you bring it up?
Well, if you keep wrapping it, just keep turning it. Right. Right. Perfect. That's great.
And now we don't need any tape.
Right. We just take it in the car.
You sure you don't mind putting it in my garage? Actually, let's try to put it in my car if that's okay, because the committee might want to see it, but I don't want to unwrap it.
Let's see it on Sunday.
Okay. Yeah. Do you mind being in charge of that?
Let's get the other because let's get the other ones we can wrap the
What's
bottom.
more than a level?
He's gonna put that in the back of
That
his
one
truck.
double.
Sir?
Double that one and then
You have to open up all the way.
you have to open it up.
It's better to be safe than sorry, so we'll go ahead and
They were only
extra-
$3.
This gives the extra padding.
I would rather be safe than sorry. Is your transitioning responsibility from you to me?
We'll
make
do
sure
all
that
we
this
can
thing's
to
taken
ensure
care of.
safety
Well, I think
of the back end as well.
Yeah.
I don't want Mr. Jenkins come and haunt me tonight because we messed up this.
I know. Or change the weather plans.
You
or
moved my
something.
door, my van. I want it back on there now.
Tom, you know where the bottom.
Don't even put his hand on his hip and point at you. Still okay.
Put that door back on the van. Put it back.
Careful, just be careful. This is the part that's probably more fragile. But just do it how Corey did it.
Just wrap it like a present.
Wrap it like a present. You know how to do that, Paul?
No, I
Just
promised
keep-
Elaine I was going to catalog everything.
Oh.
I'm not going to go back on promises to Elaine.
Just have to remember that hinge is loose.
Daddy come in there. Go to see your son. He the one took it off. I didn't take it off.
Okay. So now we're ready to take these to the
Will you blame it on my brother now?
truck.
Is that
No,
what
I
I
said,
just heard?
when Mr. Jenkins comes to see the door off his van tonight, come and draw him.
You want to,
He's putting it in the back of his truck. I'm going to take it and put it.
Corey,
Oh, yeah.
your car.
thanks, Paul. And also,
Okay.
So now we got to cover that bad boy.
So now you want to take it,
We just got tarps to cover it up until it's
Corey,
been
you
taken
want
away.
these that'll go into your truck or whoever.
Okay.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Do you want to follow? Can you follow Corey out and then we
Yeah,
can?
it can go in my car, or my brother's car, because he's taking the bus to my garage.
So we now have tarp that we're going to use to cover this opening.
I brought one too, Chief.
Sir?
I brought one of these too, Chief.
Well, you know, it will probably be, we could probably use whatever we have. Is this it? You talking to this out?
That is not still there.
Because it thinks it's open.
It's open. And then when you lock it down,
else may, another museum may want this bus.
Hopefully.
And we want to keep it protected even though it's deteriorated. So, I'm gonna have to, Mr. Jenkins, do you want to pull some more over so it's even? How do we do this? We have two, so we could. I guess we'll get it figured out when we get the photo on.
Let's see.
You have the bottom exposed.
No, you want to let them push it, it's going.
Neil, do you have a knife? Do you have a knife?
Yeah.
Can you put me like right there? Oh, you don't have it on you. I think it's gonna be best though if we could also tie it from underneath right there and then link it and then pull it up underneath the pull it up underneath the bus and leave it right here.
We want to take the other end of that cord and then cut it maybe at some point.
Yeah, he's going to get his knife. And then I'll
And the bungee cords could be used to maybe
tighten.
tighten somehow about three and four inches. This is a real team effort.
Okay, so we're gonna have to do this at the same time.
How much room you got over there?
I think we're good. We're good.
So what I want to do is hook it to the rearview mirror. So that we gotta do it at the same time.
Will the rear view mirror hold
Where do you want
the
them?
bungee cord?
Oh, it's not gonna be big enough.
Too far.
Good with.
To hook to something.
Then two handles.
Door handle, Paul.
It's too.
That was over there.
Oh, there is no door over there?
The door there was no side door.
Yeah, choose the door. So now, when we get through wrapping this up, and your family members see how we've done it, if they agree to wrap it even better.
You're with the Historic Society? Preservation.
So
Okay.
scared.
Nice.
So scared.
I'm always afraid that she might come across one of those,
So scared because
One of those
also made me that way.
Spiders work.
We are.
Spider works the snake.
well, we are in the country. This is Johns Island, South Carolina. We are still in the country, even though there's been a lot of development here. So the concern is,
You gonna put that other
as
one on top?
Alonzo says, it's not just snakes, it's also spiders.
You want me to hook it around the wheel?
This is probably kind of a home of some of the Mother
that's pretty
Nature
stable,
underneath
right?
here.
Section and got in 25, 40 years.
Neil, do you know how to do those boat knots? Do the boat knots? You know what I'm talking about?